18, question number 13. Question number 13 of central force problem, which I have shared with you. This question was asked in NET December 18. NET December 18. ठीक है? Please go through the question. In the attractive Kepler problem described by the central potential VR equal to minus k by r. A particle of mass m with a non-zero angular momentum can never reach the center due to the centrifugal barrier. Okay. If we modify the potential to Vr equal to minus k by r minus beta by r cube, one finds that there is a critical value of angular momentum Lc below which there is no centrifugal barrier. This value of LC is, you have to find out that value of LC. तो आपको वैल्यू ऑफ LC बताना है बेटा, कितना होगा, व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ LC? बोलो बेटा, बोलिए. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? आई हैव ऑलरेडी solved this type of question. Anyone have tried this question? You have to find out the critical value of angular momentum L, so that, ठीक है, so that this moving object, it is not going to fall into the source. ठीक है? We don't want that this object should fall into the source. So for this purpose, there should be centrifugal barrier. There should be some centrifugal barrier. ठीक है? Then in that case, it is not going to fall. But he is saying there is a critical value of LC below which there is no centrifugal barrier. उससे नीचे कोई centrifugal barrier है ही नहीं. बोलिए बेटा, how you are going to solve? First, try to understand the centrifugal barrier. Before solving this question, I am explaining you the centrifugal barrier. Centrifugal barrier. So try to understand, if some object is revolving, ठीक है, if some object is revolving around the sun or around the earth, why it is not falling into why it is not falling into the center or the source? Because of v theta. Try to understand, due to the velocity component v theta, it is not going to fall. Look here, ठीक है, look here. What will be the total energy? If you look, total energy is 1 by 2 m r dot square plus v effective r. ठीक है, v effective r. And this v effective, this is v effective. V effective is 1 by, this is L square upon 2 mr square minus k by r. पोटेंशियल कितना दिया है? दैट इज माइनस के बाई. तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. व्हाट दिस टर्म इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग? दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ड्यू टू द एंगुलर मोशन. दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ड्यू टू द एंगुलर मोशन. दिस टर्म इज एक्चुअली 1 by 2 m r theta dot square. ठीक है. Later on we have modified this term, we have substituted this at theta dot, and we write this term in this form. So try to understand, it is this term. If L is non-zero here you will find out that if L is non-zero, this term is existing. In that case R can never be zero. R can never be zero, beta, in this case. So try to understand here, if for simplicity, ठीक है, if you are considering this, so if you consider this, if this term is non-zero, so if you consider circular motion, try to understand. If you consider circular motion, here I am just discussing centrifugal barrier, how this is coming into the picture and what is its importance. Try to understand. If you understand circular or orbit, two type of bound orbit are possible. two type of bound motion is possible, circular motion or elliptical motion. So if you are considering circular orbit, then condition will be dv effective upon dr. If you calculate it, then it will become minus L square upon mr cube, and this will be plus k upon r square, and that will be 0. From here you find out that r naught, ठीक है, the radius of this circular orbit, how much it will be? This will be L square upon mk. M cannot be 0, k is not going to be 0. So if L is non-zero, R naught can never be 0. तो R naught 0 नहीं हो सकता unless and until, ठीक है, there is certain value of L. There is certain, and what is L? L is m r square theta dot. So if theta dot is there, ठीक है, L is constant, m is constant, theta dot is there, automatically r square. ठीक है, this L will be constant, m is constant. If theta dot is there, automatically there will be some r. So try to understand, if L is non-zero, L is non-zero, then R naught can never be 0. Here, in case of circular, there will be some fixed value of R naught. Here, there will be some fixed value of R naught. So here, this object is not going to fall into the center or the source of the central force because of this term. If L is non-zero, this term is existing. If this term is existing, automatically R naught will be a constant, and circular motion is going to take place. तो सर्कुलर मोशन बेटा टेक प्लेस करेगा. सेकंड, if you are considering elliptical orbit, in this case, if you are considering elliptical orbit, so this term is responsible in circular motion, due to which it is not falling into the into the source. ठीक है, suppose moon is revolving around the sun in the circular orbit, then this moon is consistently, it is experiencing the gravitational pull by the earth, but still it is not falling. It is v theta, it is angular momentum, it is this this centrifugal barrier term, this kinetic energy which is stopping this moon to fall into the earth. So this is the term, you call it a centrifugal barrier. Second, in case of elliptical orbit, ठीक है, in elliptical orbit, what can be r? R is going to vary between R min, minimum value of R, and here maximum value of R. It will be like this. Okay? So I want to find out this R minimum. I want to check either R minimum can be 0 or not. So I'm choosing some energy. I'm choosing this energy E. This energy E is in between the range. Okay? I have discussed with you already. So if your effective potential is like this, okay, it is having this type of potential, V effective potential, then energy is in between this. If this is E naught, this is negative energy, and 0. If energy is in between these two, so this will be R min. ये क्या होगा बेटा? R min. And this will be R max. So we just want to show you that R minimum is not 0. For the given energy in this range, R minimum is not going to be 0. This object, ठीक है, with this energy, with this particular energy, this this revolving object or planet, it can move maximally up to this point. इससे आगे नहीं जाएगा ये. It's not going to move toward the center beyond this point for the given energy. So here this is the energy, and I'm considering the turning point. I will do the calculation for the turning point. I want to find out R max and R min. So my calculation is for the turning point. So try to understand. I make it 0. So energy in the last class also I have shown you that this E is equal to, first term is 0, so it will be L square upon 2 mr square minus k by r, minus k by r. ठीक है, so multiply this by 2 mr square, so this will be 2 me into r square, r square. This will be 2 mrk, so this will be 2 mk, 2 mk into r, and this will be minus l square equal to 0, 0. So what is the value of r? If you calculate from here, r will be, try to understand, this r will be minus b, so minus 2 mk, mk प्लस माइनस, ठीक है, प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ठीक है, बी स्क्वायर. सो वेयर इज बी स्क्वायर? बी स्क्वायर इज दिस 4m² के स्क्वायर, 4m² के स्क्वायर, ठीक है, माइनस, ठीक है, -4ac, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, ठीक है, माइनस माइनस प्लस, 4 2 जा 8, 8, 8, m m l me into l square, me into l square. Here, here, this will be यही होगा ना बेटा, b square minus 4ac. So here, this will be 2a. So this will be 4me, 4me. So try to understand here, there is no restriction on L square. ठीक है, you can choose the value of L square. ठीक है, you can choose the value of L square because this is square. Try to understand, this is square. ठीक है, this is square here, so you can choose value of L square if L is there. If L is non-zero here, L is non-zero here, automatically what you are going to find out, this will be some real number. ठीक है, this will be some real number. So here you are going to get you will get here. Try to understand, look here, what I want to tell you actually in more simplified words I will tell you. If you look at this term, this is 4m square k square. What will be the square root of this? On the next page, I will write it. Just wait for a minute. I will explain you in a much better way. R equal to कितना है बेटा ये 2mk minus 2mk 2mk, and this will be plus minus square root of
4m square k square
m square k square, and this will be plus 8 कितना है बेटा m
el square
mel square
upon
upon
4me.
4me बेटा, करेक्ट बेटा, 4me. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू, दिस इज माइनस 2mk. ठीक है, सो हियर -2mk प्लस माइनस. नाउ लुक एट दिस टर्म, एनर्जी कैसा है बेटा, एनर्जी इन दिस केस इज नेगेटिव. सो एनर्जी, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इन दिस केस एनर्जी इज negative, energy is less than 0. So automatically, because this E will be negative, so automatically this term 4m square k square, ठीक है, this will be less, so sorry, this will be greater, or you can write like this, just 1 second, 4m square k square plus 8 me me l square, it will always be greater than 0. ठीक है, 0 से ज्यादा होगा बेटा, ये जो वैल्यू होगी ना, दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन 0. ठीक है, why I am saying, like this, try to understand. If you calculate this E, this is minus on this side, so minus 4 m square k square upon 8 ml square. So energy E is greater than minus mk square upon 2l square. And this was the energy, if you remember, this is the energy for the circular orbit. ठीक है, सो ऑटोमेटिकली एनर्जी जो है वी आर चूजिंग एनर्जी ग्रेटर देन दिस एम के स्क्वायर अपॉन 2l square and less than 0. So what I'm saying, from here, this term in the square root, that is always greater than 0. That is always greater than 0. And second thing, this will be, एक तो 0 से बड़ा होगा बेटा ये, ठीक है, 0 से बड़ा होगा, and this term will be less than 2mk. First thing is this, I have shown you why this will be greater than 0, because if you apply this condition, you find out E greater than 0, and this we are choosing. ठीक है, this we are choosing. So whatever value we choose for E in this range, this quantity, this will be greater than 0. First thing is this will be real. Why I'm saying this is 0? So this quantity, first I find out that this quantity will be real, not this will not be complex quantity, because radius cannot be a complex number. So first I prove that for any value of E in this range, there will be L value, and this will be a real number. First thing. Second, this quantity, because this is maximum value is 4m square k square, and this is 8me L square, and this is negative overall, because E is negative, this is negative. So second aspect, you can write that this 4m square k square plus 8me L square, this will be less than this 2mk. ठीक है भाई, ये है ना 2mk से कुछ माइनस कर रहे हो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली दिस नंबर विल बी लेस देन 2mk. ठीक है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई हैव फाइंड आउट दीज टू आस्पेक्ट बाय दिस कैलकुलेशन कि दिस स्क्वायर रूट टर्म, दिस इज रियल नंबर. सेकेंड थिंग, सेकेंड आई प्रूव दैट दैट दिस नंबर इज लेस देन 2mk. तो एक छोटा नंबर है, आई एज्यूम इट एज, यू कैन कंसिडर इट एज f. ठीक है, यू कैन कंसिडर इट एज f, एंड f इज लेस देन 2mk. Positive number है, but less than this. So what will be the radius? R. This will be minus 2mk plus minus f. F is a positive number divided by 4me. I assume E is negative, so I assume E is equal to minus E1. So substitute in place of E, write this minus E1. So this will be minus 2mk plus minus f. And in denominator you will have minus 4me1. So minus को cancel करो, so this will be 2mk, and this will be minus, this will be plus f, and this is 4me1. ठीक है, so there are two radius here. ठीक है, one is rmax, another is rmin. One is rmax, तो rmax कितना हुआ मेरा? rmax here, that is 2mk plus f upon 4me1. This is rmax बेटा. और rmin कितना है? rmin is equal to 2mk minus f divided by 4me1. Now from here, look, f is less than this, so this r minimum, that will be greater than 0. So it is not going to be 0. It means that planet, it cannot have the radial distance 0. Radial distance for this range of energy, this object is having energy in this range, so r minimum will always be greater than 0. Means this object is not going to fall into the center. Why it is not falling? Why all this calculation is coming? All this calculation and this analysis is coming only due to this term. So that's why this is known as centrifugal term, centrifugal barrier term. Object is revolving. This is a very, very good concept. This is applicable in classical mechanics as well as it is applicable in central force problem in quantum mechanics. In that case, L square will be quantized. Here, this is not quantized. Only this difference is there. So try to understand due to this term, existence of this term, R minimum, R minimum will be a finite term. ठीक है? Try to understand due to this term L square. So here L is there. So due to this L square term, due to this L square term, actually R minimum is coming out to be greater than 0. So this object is not falling into the source of the central force, okay, or in the sun or in the earth. Planet is not captured by the sun due to this term, okay. So this angular motion, V theta, angular momentum L or centrifugal barrier L square upon 2mr square. This is responsible that planet is not captured by the sun. This is one thing. So this is the meaning of this centrifugal barrier. So ये जो term है, this term is responsible for this motion. Otherwise these planets they will be captured by the sun. So this is known as centrifugal barrier term. तो ये रोक रहा है, this is stopping to fall into the, it is stopping the planets to fall into the sun. That's why you're calling it as centrifugal barrier. Is it clear up to this point, beta? I have done this in detail. Everything I have tried to explain you. Either it is circular orbit or elliptical orbit. In both case, if L is non-zero, then R naught is not zero. Second, if L is non-zero here, L is non-zero here, then R minimum will be greater than zero. Whatever value of L is there, that is not going to fall into L. Now, from this understanding, he developed a new question. From here, he developed another question. Now, what he's saying? He's saying that suppose suppose this is not minus k by r. Rather, it is minus k by r and a one more term is associated with it minus beta upon r cube. Minus beta upon r cube. Now he's saying that if you are adding this term into the potential energy term, then you will find out that there is a minimum value of L, critical value of L, ठीक है, जितना angular momentum होना चाहिए, that is must for the orbital motion. If angular momentum becomes less than this LC, critical value of angular momentum, then in that case there will be no centrifugal barrier and the planet will fall into the source. So what he's saying? He's saying if VR, he's saying that if VR is equal to minus k by r and minus कितना है बेटा बीटा अपॉन r cube. This is beta upon r cube. R cube. In this case, you cannot have any possible value of L. No, there is a restriction in this case. They are saying that there is a critical value of LC. LC. ठीक है? And angular momentum should be greater than this. So in any case, if L should be greater than LC, only then this planetary motion is possible around the source of the centrifugal force. If L becomes less than this, in that case, centrifugal barrier, centrifugal barrier barrier disappears. Disappear and planet falls into the sun. Into the sun or the source. ठीक है. And in this case, if L is greater than this, then orbital motion will take place. Orbital motion will take place. Will take place. So this is the thing. Try to understand. You want to find out this LC. Is it clear what I am telling to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, we find out this is VR. So what will be the energy? Energy in this case, that will be 1 by 2 mr dot square plus V effective. V effective is L square upon 2 mr square plus potential energy, that is minus K by R minus beta upon R cube. So I will
सर
calculate. I will do
सर
the calculation. Yes, beta, please.
सर यहाँ पर एलसी क्या है? ये इधर से
LC.
लिखे.
This is
यस सर.
LC. This is critical
यस सर. यस
angular
सर.
momentum. They have given this term. ये जो LC लिखा है इन्होंने, one finds that there is a critical value of angular momentum LC below which there is no centrifugal barrier. जिससे नीचे centrifugal barrier होगा ही नहीं. So here this will be. So here I use, ठीक है, here I consider the calculation at turning points, because what I want to find out, I want to show you that R minimum, ठीक है, I want to find out the calculation of R minimum, and I will show you, okay, for this value R minimum will not be 0. R minimum is not possibly equal to 0 for this particular condition. I want to show you like this. So I'm doing calculation at turning points, at R max and R min. At turning points, at turning points, 1 by 2 mr dot square is 0 beta. ठीक है. You can do calculation anywhere, but I will do the calculation where it is easy for me to do the calculation. Otherwise, it will be very complicated. So I'm doing here. So my E, and E is conserved. So this will be L square upon 2 mr square minus K by R minus beta upon R cube beta. Beta upon R cube. बोलिए बेटा, कैसे कैलकुलेशन करें?
Differentiate this.
Pardon?
Differentiate with respect to del R.
देखो, we should actually calculate here. Try to understand. Here we should calculate. We should first I'm writing here. ठीक है. First I'm writing here. Multiply this equation by 2m r cube. So this will be 2me and this will be r cube. R cube. Second will be where the r square will be here. Make it 2m r cube. So this will be okay. To multiply this by 2m r cube. So this will be 2m k and this will be r square. R square. ठीक है. Next, with it there will be one power. So this will be minus L square. This will be R. ठीक है ना? This will be R. And last term plus 2m beta. That will be 0. This is for elliptical orbit. Try to understand. So for this elliptical orbit, I will solve this equation. I will find out 3 different R values. One R value will not be possible, and only 2 values will survive. ठीक है? Out of 3 values you are going to get 3 roots you will get. One root, what you will do? One root will be not possible. That root will be in such a way, negative root or something. And 2 other will be possible. One will be R max, one will be R min. But this is R to the power 3, R square R, so it will be difficult. So what I do? I do the calculation for circular motion. That will be much more easier as compared to this. So this is the method by which you will find out 3 roots: R1, R2, R3. If you solve this, one root will not be possible. For example, suppose R comes out to be negative, so negative radial distance will not be possible. One will be R max, another will be R min. ठीक है? So 2 values will be there, and I will find out from there that condition. But it will take time and it is a little bit difficult. So I do this calculation for the circular orbit. That will make it easier. Circular orbit, because for circular orbit also centrifugal barrier is required. So that condition will also appear in case of circular orbit. Why I am able to do here? Because for the circular motion also centrifugal barrier is required. So I can calculate that critical value of LC corresponding to centrifugal barrier, ठीक है, from the circular orbit equation also. So that will be del V effective, because it is easy to solve. Del V effective by del R, and that will be 0. That will be 0. So where is V effective? V effective is this. This is, differentiate this. This is actually V effective. So this will be minus L square upon mr cube. mr cube. This will be plus K upon R square. K upon R square. And third will be, this will be plus 3 beta upon R to the power 4, and this will be 0. Is this equation okay with everyone? Now, 1 R square you can take on this, or you can 1 R square, this R square, here this power, and here you will be left with R square. So I take this R square common and multiplied with 0, that is gone. So now it will be, what will be the LCM? That will be mr square. So here multiply this equation by mr square. So this will be m L square, and 1 R will be there. Here this will be mk, and this will be R square beta. And this will be 3 beta m equal to 0. So my equation will be 3 beta is, this will be mk, and this will be R square minus ml square R plus 3 beta m, and that will be 0. So this type of equation I am going to find out. ठीक है, ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा आपको, यू कैन चेक. इसमें बेटा कुछ ये गड़बड़ है या सही है? m was here, so I think if you, this L square, so if you multiply by mr square, so this m will not be there. Only one correction is there, minus is here, so this will be L square R. This will be, this is a quadratic equation now. So this will be mk R square minus L square R plus 3 beta m. This equation is there. Now apply. Now solve this. What will be R? Radius of the circular orbit. That will be minus minus plus. That will be b square. Sorry, minus b, minus minus plus L square. Plus minus b square means L to the power 4. L to the power 4 minus 4ac minus 4 4 3 are 12 k beta m square divided by 2a 2mk. Now tell me what observation you are having from here. This is the radius that is coming into the picture. तो ये radius है बेटा जो picture में आ रहा है. Can anyone tell me what it will be? If you want, this is a real number. Radius will be real. So r कैसा होगा? It will be real. When it is possible only if this
Some positive.
L to the power 4 minus 12 k beta m square is greater than 0 beta. So if you want that real radius is existing, then this value should be positive. And if this value is positive, then from here, what will be L? Okay? Take it on this side. So this will be L should be 12 k beta m square to the power 1 by 4. This is the value of LC. So L should be greater than this value LC. Only then real radius you are going to find out. So minimum value that is possible for the angular momentum for which orbital motion is possible with this potential is this 12 k beta m square. ठीक है? K
Yes, sir.
beta m square into 12 to the power 1 by 4. So option C beta. Option C is the correct answer. This is one full complete exercise. If you can understand this question, then automatically you are understanding the analysis of effective potential. I have tried to explain you not only this question, but I have tried to explain you that what is centrifugal barrier and how you are going to handle these problems. You can also solve this question. Try to understand. You can also try to solve this equation, but it will be difficult. You will find out your answer, but it will be a little bit difficult. So what I do, I shift to circular orbit, because if circular orbit is possible, then surely even in this case, there will be the same condition for centrifugal barrier. Okay? Because circular orbit is also a special case of elliptical orbit. So from here, I find out this condition much more easily. So this is a question which can be asked any time in TIFR. Okay, this was one of the best questions they have asked from central force problem. So it was difficult to solve this question at that time for the student, but nowadays we are having a list of questions which are like this. So if this type of question repeat, then you can easily solve it. It's not going to take not more than 2-3 minutes, because you will start from V effective, apply the condition of circular orbit, and directly you are going to get this. In just 2 minutes, you can solve this question if you are understanding the physical concept behind this problem. So this was a complete exercise. This question was. Is it okay? Now, next question, beta. Next question. This question was there. Question number 14, gate 22. Gate 22. Question number 14. Can I go to next?
Yes, sir.
Question number 14. Gate 14. नहीं गेट का पूछा ये क्वेश्चन बेटा 22 2022. This was also a very good question, and I assure you very few students were able to solve at that time. हो सकता है किसी पे solve नहीं हुआ हो. It is also possible. This was one of the very good questions. Basic question, but quite difficult. So please look at this question. A particle of unit mass moves in a potential mass is 1, ठीक है, and what is the potential VR? VR is equal to minus V naught, and it will be e to the power minus r square. If the angular momentum of the particle L is 0.5 square root of V naught, ठीक है, or you can say root of V naught by 2. This is L. Then which of the following statements are true? तो इन दोनों में से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है बेटा? ठीक है, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग statements are true? There are two equilibrium points along the radial coordinate. There is one stable equilibrium point at r1 and one unstable equilibrium point at r2 greater than r1. There are two stable equilibrium points. There are only one equilibrium point along the radial coordinates. So they are talking like this. So how you are going to solve this question? We are going to solve this question very easily in a very comfortable manner with the help of V effective analysis, effective potential analysis. First, write the expression. V effective is how much? V effective R, that is L square upon 2mr square plus VR. Substitute all these values. L square is V naught by 4. V naught by 4 here, then 4 to the 8. M is 1, so 8r square. V naught upon 8r square. This VR is minus V naught e to the power minus r square. This is V effective. This is V effective बेटा, ठीक है, so ये V effective होगा. Now what you are going to do from here, you take this V naught upon 8 common, so this will be 1 upon r square minus 8 e to the power minus r square. So V effective is like this. V effective is made up of these two terms. Now plot these. दोनों को प्लॉट कर दो, ये तो कांस्टेंट है, इसे बाहर रहने दो. You just plot here. This is V effective. This is R. First is 1 upon R square. This is 0 and you are increasing this this R square, so it is going to be like this. Just 1 second. ये भी थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया. Just actually we should have an idea of this 1 upon R square. So ये थोड़ा बेटा ऐसे होगा. Something like this. ठीक है. Second term is this minus E upon, second term कितना है, minus 8 upon e to the power r square. ठीक है. This is, so initially what is its value? If you look, शुरू में इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा? R is 0. At r equal to 0, this will be e to the power 0, that is 1, so this will be minus 8. So it will be somewhere here. Minus 8 is here. आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहो तो it will be minus V naught. ठीक है, this will be. And now plot it. So as you are increasing r square, this number is moving up. It is becoming less negative. and you will find out something like this. Later on, its drop will be very like, it will be something like this. तो आपका प्लॉट बेटा कुछ ऐसा होगा. ठीक है, your plot will be something like. So for this, to solve this question, your understanding of the graph plotting should be quite good. Here, this infinity is very large as compared to this 8. So your graph is going to start from here. In starting, this part is going to dominate, but later on, this will become drop, but its drop is not so high. You can plot this with the help of some software at your home also. So what you are going to find out, it will be something like this. And after this, it will move up because this part will be larger. So it will be something like this. So you are going to have something. This type of graph you are going to have. So what is this? This is a localized minima. So at this, you are going to get a circular orbit. What type of? This is a equilibrium point. You call it as stable circular orbit. So at r equal to r1, what you are going to find out? Stable circular orbit. Or stable point, they are saying it. And at this point here, this will be R2 beta. Here you are going to get the localized maxima. Peak you are going to get. So at R equal to R2, you will get unstable circular point. Unstable circular orbit. Unstable circular orbit. और जो अनस्टेबल सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट का रेडियस है, that is greater as compared to R1. So here, this is your answer. So in this case, there is one stable equilibrium point at R1 and one unstable equilibrium point at R2 greater than R1. So option B is the correct answer, but here, option B. Option B is the correct answer. Is it correct with everyone? Option B is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
ये समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, and they are really difficult questions. ठीक है, that's why I'm taking so much time trying to explain you these things. Now, this question, you please try this question. I have discussed many questions like this. आप 15 को try करना. I will discuss it tomorrow. This is also one of the very good questions. But जो मैंने आपको whatever I have discussed with you, on the basis of this, you can find out R1 and R2. तो आपको what you have to find out? You have to find out R1 and R2, R minimum and R maximum here again in this question. So please try to solve this question of JAS 23. This is a very good question. This is a very good question, beta. Please try to solve this. In the next class, I will surely discuss, but first you try so that you can understand. And this is a difficult question, not easy. If you are not able to solve, so don't worry. Whatever I am discussing here, they are really very difficult questions. Next, beta. This question number 16. Question 16. This question was asked in NET June 24. NET 24, NET June 24, this question was asked. A particle of mass m is moving in a potential Vr equal to minus k by r. Vr is equal to minus k by r, where k is a positive constant. Where K is a positive constant, full stop. If L and P, L vector and P vector denote the angular momentum and linear momentum. So L vector is representing angular momentum. And P vector, they are saying P vector is representing linear momentum. Linear momentum. Linear momentum, respectively, comma. The value of alpha for which you have to find out the value of alpha for which this A vector equal to L vector क्रॉस P वेक्टर, ठीक है, प्लस MK alpha MK, and this is R cap. This is R cap is a constant of motion. Is a constant of motion. What is the meaning of constant of motion? Means during the motion, this quantity remains conserved. It doesn't change with time. So what is the meaning of constant of motion? Means this A is not going to change with time. ये time के साथ बेटा change ही नहीं होता. ठीक है ना? This is not going to change with time. So what they are saying this is a constant of motion. From very aspect of constant of motion, I will say okay, अगर ये change नहीं होता, then this dA vector by dt, that is going to be 0. Differentiate this. So I am going to differentiate this d by dt, and here this is L cross P plus alpha MK R cap, and this will be 0. So differentiate this. So this is cross product. So this will be dl by dt cross P vector beta. This will be the first term. Second plus L cross dp by dt. ठीक है, this will be plus alpha mk is constant, and this will be dr cap by dt, and that will be 0. तो ये होगा बेटा. This will be. बोलिए बेटा. Is it okay with you up to this point? Now, what type of problem is this? This is central force problem. If you are dealing with a central force problem, then torque acting on the particle will be 0. Torque कितना होता है बेटा? Torque is dl by dt. dl by dt. It will be 0. Torque acting on the object will be 0 if it is moving under the influence of the central force. So this is central potential. So this torque is going to be 0. So dl by dt, that will be 0. So first I make it 0. This was a very unexpected question. You just have to understand, there's nothing like nothing special in this question, but you have to apply different properties. So first property was dl by dt was 0. Now second, what will be
Sir.
this d? Yes, beta, please.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए dl by dt 0 क्यों हुआ?
What is if you look into the properties of central force, ठीक है, अगर central force का problem, if you check central force problem, then I just go to the next. देखो, what is central force? If you write central force Fr, how you define this? This will be minus Fr r cap. ठीक है. What will be the torque that is acting on the particle? That will be r cross. कितना होता है बेटा ये?
F R cross F.
r cross s.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So this will be r cross, or this will be
Minus
minus
F
fr
R R F.
r cap. So you are taking the cross product of r vector with r cap. So this will be 0.
Yes, sir.
तो torque is 0.
Yes, sir. समझ गया.
ठीक है ना बेटा? So from here I write. Second thing here that is appearing to us is dp by dt. What is dp by dt? What do you call this? dp by dt, if you remember. What do you call it? This is fr.
Yes, sir.
Force होता है ना, rate of change of momentum.
Hmm.
ये कितना होगा? That will be, if this is vr, you can find out f कितना होता है? f equal to minus dv by dr. f कितना होता है? Minus, or I should write in another way. I should write like this. I want to find out this dp by dt. So I will write it that this will be equal to fr, and this will be minus dv by dr. तो कितना हो जाएगा? Minus minus plus, and then when you will differentiate, this will be minus k by r square. So this will be dp by dt. So in place of dp by dt, I will substitute, and this will be this is force. So automatically this will be minus r cap. This will be dp by dt. I will replace this. Second, this L कितना होगा बेटा? बोलो. mr square theta dot. ठीक है. L कितना होता है? एंगुलर मोमेंटम. mr square. Many times I have done this. Theta dot. What will the direction? Z cap. Perpendicular to the plane in which motion is taking. So motion is taking place in r theta plane. So perpendicular vector will be z cap. So this will be mr square theta z cap. Substitute here in place of L, write mr square theta dot z cap. So many properties they were using in this question. That's why it became difficult. And this will be minus k by r square r cap. Now plus alpha mk. And what will be dr cap by dt? Polar coordinates का property होता है. What will be this? dr cap by dt.
Sir,
बोलो
velocity.
anyone? Theta dot theta cap.
Yes, sir.
Theta dot. अगर if someone is confused with this, ठीक है, you can find out my lecture on YouTube. ठीक है, on Physics by Physics YouTube channel, lecture on polar coordinates. So in there, in those one or two lectures are there. I have explained every aspect of polar coordinates there. So you can go through that. So this will be. Now what will be Z cross R? बोलो बेटा. It will be R cap, theta cap, Z cap. You are writing Z cap cross R cap. Z cap cross R cap will be कितना होगा बेटा? Theta cap.
Theta cap, yes, sir.
Theta. So this will be R square will cancel out by this. So this will be M K theta dot theta cap and minus sign. ठीक है. So I take this term on the other side, and on second side will be alpha mk theta dot theta cap. ठीक है. So this theta dot is gone, m is gone, k is gone. So theta cap is alpha theta cap. So what is the value of alpha from here? Value of alpha is 1. तो alpha कितना आएगा? Alpha is 1 बेटा. ठीक है. तो alpha कितना आएगा? That will be 1. Option D was the correct answer. ठीक है. Option D was the correct answer. So here they have used many properties. So in the next class, I will continue to discuss questions. Okay? And after completing these questions, after discussing significant number of questions, I'm going to start the new chapter Lagrangian. But I think one or two more classes will be there in which I am going to discuss these numericals so that you will feel comfortable with central force problems. Okay, beta. Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank
अच्छा
you.
पहले
Thank you, sir.
please welcome beta. Please save these first. And this is first one beta. This is the first one. Please save. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And last one, sixth. Okay, beta.